Okay, so we left at like 4:30 this morning. We drove a solid 3 hours, and then someone flagged us down and told us we had a flat tire. So then we got off the interstate, and we got so lucky. There was a mechanic right there off of the interstate, just like a mile down the road. He fixed the tires so fast. It was like 8:30 in the morning, and we got out of there in like a half an hour. So we just pulled in, and now we're unloading the trailer. It's been a journey. It's been a journey. So the main point of this trip is to figure out where to put the bathroom and what to do with this back room. So it's rotted. This whole wall is out. The septic is somewhere back here though. We're trying to figure out where the septic is. Granny doesn't like that. Oh my God, it's so big. Ew, it's huge! It is disgusting back here. It's so gross. Okay, so today we got here and we completely cleaned out the back of the cabin. We found the septic system and the line, so we have to like track the line to find where the septic system is. Then we cleaned out the back, took down the little loft that was back there. We're trying to decide what we are going to do, like where we are going to put the bathroom. We've been debating if we're just going to knock this down completely or if we were going to build a bathroom inside of this old cabin. A tree fell right here and over here, so these logs are messed up and this whole part is missing. We've been debating what we would do for a long time, and we didn't really know until we got here and saw what it looked like, and we have to tear up the floor tomorrow and dig that out. So hopefully all goes well, but it will be interesting. Okay, it's day 2. It's 6:30 a.m. But we are working on the septic. We decided, I think we're gonna keep the back room, and we're gonna put 9 posts all along the back, jack it up, and then tear out the walls and build in a new frame of the bathroom once we figure out where the septic is, so we can run the septic to the bathroom. So I think we decided we're gonna go long way. So we're gonna start a wall right here. Yep, Dylan's the wall. And go all the way across. And this little portion right by the door will be a little utility room type of deal. Or like mud room, where we'll put a door to the outside right here. And then to the right there will be the bathroom. And then we will rip all of this off to be a back porch and leave the roof. today was a long, very difficult day. This is a huge project, probably more so than even the first trip. So this back cabin, I'm gonna show you. We've completely torn out this back wall, and it's been very, very difficult because the screws, or not screws, but the nails, these are the nails holding every single piece of wood together. And there is concrete between each piece of wood. So you'd think we could just chainsaw it, but you can't because there's metal concrete chinking, and every single piece of wood has one of these nails in it, so you cannot get it out. The nails are like 9 inches long, like so huge. So we've been sawzawing them, but every time each nail ruins a blade. So you have to have a new blade for every single nail. Every log is held together. So I think what we're gonna do is we're going to build a wall starting right here, going across to that edge of that window, and that will be part of the house through this back door. And then we'll have a back door to go outside, and this will be a covered porch. But we have to dig up all of this floor, like completely dig it up, put in new beams on the corners, and build a whole new floor. So stay tuned. So we were staining the outside of the cabin with a black stain. But then when we went to Lowe's, we found out it was an indoor stain because I wanted to buy it by the gallon because I only had a quart and they didn't have any. And so we had to get a black paint, but I don't like it. I guess I'm just gonna have to take one for the team.
What team?
It's blue. Black, blue.
Black.
How's it going? Oh, you got so much paint in your hair. You give us a tour tonight.
No,
Come on.
no.
Hey, look at this house. I mean, look at it. Look how good it looks all white. I want to put a shelf right here with plants on it.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
So my guns are gonna hang.
No.
Deer heads.
No, there's no center spot.
Right there is a deer head.
A little one could go right here.
A little one.
I don't know if even that. I am so proud of our painting. I mean, this looks brand spanking new. Does it not? Yeah, all of this used to be trees. Like completely filled, just like that. Dylan cleared it all. Looks so good. Our water tank will be somewhere up here. We're trying to figure out rainwater catchment collection system. Somewhere up here. We still have to figure that out. We thought we'd get to it, but we definitely won't because the back took so much longer than we had anticipated.
Takes a long time to move that much earth.
It's Saturday, 4th of July. Dylan and I just finished painting the outside of the cabin. Okay, so this is the back now. So maybe you can see a little better. So this will be the bathroom. This will be a mudroom. And these, under this, will just be a covered porch. If that makes more sense, if you can see it a little bit more right now. The boys just went to Lowe's to get the boards to make the joists. I think that's all we'll get done this trip because we're running out of time. So right here is the septic will come in, and the toilet will be right here, and then a vanity along this wall, and then the tub will be right here, and I'm going to put a window above it. And that will be a little window also because we can't move it. So we're leaving tomorrow morning. We decided to stop early today because it's the 4th of July, and we went and got in the pond and swam and stuff. And then here's inside. It looks so nice with the walls painted. Oh my gosh. All we need is trim on the windows. And then the walls. I don't know. So this is actually like Kilt's paint and primer. I don't know. It's only $14. So I don't know if I'm going to go buy like $40 paint when I'm just going to paint it a different shade of white. I'm not very picky, so... This actually turned out so cute. It looks so good, Dylan. I'm so excited. I am really so excited. It looks so good. It's so real now. We have like so much accomplished. I'm going to show you upstairs. We also got, I don't know how long these attic ladders are going to last because it's hard to get up and down, but it's good for now. Okay. My mom drywalled. We got windows in the loft, and it's drywalled. And it's so cute, and it's such a good view of outside once this trash pile's gone. Look at this huge fly. There's so many bugs. And then our flag in the middle. This was a big debate on Instagram, but Dylan wanted center, and I wanted center all the way up here, but everyone said that would be goofy. And so we tried right and left, but we did center. It's only center outside, not center inside. Okay, so these windows all are gonna have to be framed around the outside. Would it look better in white and just match everything, or frame them in black, or frame them and stain it a wood color that would match the door and this beam? Comment below.